really helping. Thank you very, very much. Walt.
Well, I'm joined by Mitchell Stevens with Gary's Heating and Air. And Mitchell, you know a little something about staying cool. You know a little something about staying warm. Yeah. So we found ourselves a nice little windbreak over here, didn't we?
Yeah.
Now, tell us a little bit about why Gary's is always so good about supporting the High Plains Food Bank.
Well, we've just always been blessed with our business and everything in our lives. So we just want to help other people in the Panhandle and try and help them out. And you know, I wish other people would come out and help out more too, so they can get plenty of food to just pass it all around as much as they need to.
And I'm sure in your business, in your line of work, you run across a lot of folks in our area that sometimes are food insecure.
Yes, yeah, they really do. And you know, I see it all the time, and it breaks my heart, but we're just glad that we can help as much as we can.
All right, and I understand that as far as helping is concerned, you have a donation, a check that you'd like to present.
Yes.
Zach Wilson with the High Plains Food Bank.
$500. We just appreciate everything that y'all do and want to help support y'all.
All right. Awesome. Thank you, Mitchell. Appreciate it. Thank you for your support, and thank you for helping us out during the campaign. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Mitchell, thank you once again, and your support is always very much appreciated, not only during the holiday season, but throughout the year.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. All right, we'll be back here in just a few minutes with more from the Holiday Food Drive. We'll send it back to the station.